Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to run Facebook ads for Shopify. If you're running a Shopify store and want to boost your sales using Facebook ads, follow these steps. Firstly, go to business.facebook.com and log into your Facebook or Instagram account or create a new one. Click Create an account and fill in your details such as business portfolio name, your name, and business email address. Then click Create and confirm your email. Now your business portfolio is ready. Inside Meta Business Suite, go to Accounts, Add Accounts, then Add. Create a new Add account. Now, fill in Add account name and currency, then add team members if needed, then click Create Add account to finish setup. Now go to Meta Events Manager, then click on Click Connect, Data Sources, then click on Web. Click Create Connect and create a pixel. This tracks user behavior on your store. Enter your website URL, click Check, then choose Conversion API and Metapixel. Set up with Partner, Integration, then Shopify. Now go to your Shopify admin panel, then click Online Store, Preferences, then Facebook Pixel. Click Set up Facebook, then click Add Sales Channel, then tap Connect Account. Now log in with your Facebook account and once done, go back to your Facebook and click I've completed setup on Shopify. Now go to Events Manager again and choose up to 8 events you want Facebook to track, like view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, or purchase. These events help Facebook understand what your customers do and allow better ad optimization and targeting. Once your Shopify or Facebook integration is complete, you can run retargeting ads, track your ad ROI directly from your Shopify dashboard, and use lookalike audiences to reach people similar to your best customers. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.